Hi, my name is Christo. I'm the organizer of this fundraiser on GoFundMe page, and the reason for this video is to go through the donate now button and page, because we received a few requests from people that, or even comments that the page doesn't work, or that they don't know how to donate. So I want to clarify this because Osvaldo is my stepson and this is his family. In the text it says that it has 3 kids, and it is so. The third one, unfortunately, it is not in this picture. However, let's move on to the donation now button and process. So as you can see, the currency of interest is Mexican pesos. So the equivalent amount of whatever amount you're donating, it has to be converted in a Mexican pesos before the accurate donation can take place. Of, for example, if you want to donate $100, you would have to convert it and then put that converted number in here. And how you do that, the easiest way is you Google it, right? You say, okay, I want to donate 100 Canadian to 100 Canadian and you convert it to Mexican pesos, and it's 1382, for example, right? So you put here 1382, right? Or if you want to donate 100, let's say USD, right? It's 1917 for the just round it down, 1917, or round it out 1918. So we go here, we say 1918, right? You could put cents, but it's up to you. Now here, or you can even do euros, for example. If you do euros, let's say 100 euros, right? It's 2093, for example, right? 1994. So you would put 2094 euros, right? 2094 Mexican pesos for 100 euros. So you would put it here. Then you would put it here. Then you would have the ability to set the tip amount for GoFundMe, which is basically from 0 all the way to what percentage you want it to be, right? Keep in mind that this tip is on top of this amount. So they would give this amount to Osvaldo and then your tip is on top, right? As you can see down here, right? For this amount, it works out to be the 2%, the 1%. It comes out to be $19, right? 19 pesos, sorry. So the total is that, right? What you wanted to give to Osvaldo plus your tip to the page is equal to this. And then you hit donate now. But before you do that, keep in mind you have to put in your card information, your debit information, and you choose your country, postal code, and a few things here. Self-explanatory, I'm not going to go through that. What I want to mention is I want to say that thank you for your donation in advance, because it helps a lot Osvaldo and his family, right? That goes without saying, and a little bit goes a long way. Thank you so much. I support Osvaldo as he's my stepson as well. So another thing I want to explain here, Jasmine Gabriela is his sister. He's managing the the transactions from here, just because Osvaldo, he is dealing with the treatments and he doesn't have time to, and sometimes energy to go out and deal with the transactions. So we appointed Jasmine for the transactions, right? And then she manages the money, and keep rest assured that everything goes to Osvaldo and Osvaldo's family. The next thing I want to talk about is the share button. Here you have some options. You have copy link WhatsApp. You can share in WhatsApp. You can share this link to Messenger, and then Twitter, X, right? Facebook, email, Nextdoor, website or app, QR code, and then you can embed this video to your page, homepage. Web page. If you have a web page and you wanna promote Osvaldo's effort to fight leukemia. For all that, I'm so grateful on behalf of Osvaldo and his family. And to that end, I want to end the video, and I want to send you blessings and health and wealth and happiness. Thank you so much for your time and your donation.